Today we're looking at ME8 acrylic-based screw repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at apoc.com. Existing screw and fastener problems can be screws backing out and deteriorated gaskets. Let's look at a better way using APOC 264 Flash and Seal. Always thoroughly clean the repair surface and tighten loose screws. Any stripped screws should be replaced with a fastener and rubber gasket the next size larger. There are multiple ways to seal screw heads. Method 1. Using a piece of 3/4 inch pipe, stick one end into the 264. Then apply to each individual screw head. Method number 2. Using a caulk gun, apply 264 sealant about the size of a quarter to the top of the screw head. Now your APOC ME8 acrylic-based screw repair is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at apoc.com.